guys, get ready, get in here. So today we got a couple things. We've got to run over to Princeton, which is a little town over, where we used to live in a townhouse. Run over there, do a couple things, then going to the fish superstore. I bought her like a fish tank and everything, and she kind of decked it out like SpongeBob and him. Yeah, Bikini Bob. So we're gonna run over there and get some crabs and stuff and some fish. I don't know what we're going to get, but y'all see. And then we're going to Harbor Freight. We're gonna run to Harbor Freight. Actually, Hobby Lobby's open too. But we're gonna run to Harbor Freight, look at some tools. I might be getting some tools and stuff to start another project, hopefully here soon. Probably end up working on the iPad. I know you're probably tired of it, but I'm on the last stages. I've put some Bondo and worked it and stuff, so we're getting closer to being done. But we'll probably work on it. But we are going to go to Harbor Freight and get some tools, hopefully, if she lets me.
I'm more worried about the first thing we're doing.
Yes.
And the fish.
We can't really say what it is just yet, but it's pretty cool. After everything's done and finalized, we'll definitely get to say it. We're back at the house. Got my electric wrench. Here's what it is. And we've got some fish. 2 snails, 2, what's it called?
A guppy.
A guppy and what is that one?
Angelfish.
Wait, which one's mine?
I don't know.
What was that one's called?
I don't know, we ain't
Oh, anyways, I don't know. It's like red, white, and blue. I picked only like red, white, and blue fish they had. And I'm gonna call it Uncle Sam. Alright guys, so we are back at the shop. Back in the shop again. Woo! Alright, so we are back in the shop. And we are working on, again, the iPad. And I hate that, you know, I usually try to do stuff every vlog. But again, some of this stuff actually does, you have to put some hours into it. So it's like, you know, on days I'm not filming here, I'm inside filming or something like that. So we're always doing something. But I did get some Bondo late. I actually did a lot of sanding the other day before I left out here yesterday evening, which was absolutely freezing cold. I put some Bondo here and everything to strengthen it up a little bit. Now we still have a little bit of play right here, which I don't like, so I think I'm going here and fiberglass, put some fiberglass strands or something, because that will strengthen it up. But we're getting it there. I'm just going to go ahead and sand it some more. Alright, well, I'm going to sand on this a little bit, because I'm trying to knock this project out of the way. Alright, so I got some Rust-Oleum automotive primer, using on plastic metal, so we're using on metal and fiberglass. I don't know, I said plastic metal, but we're going to use it on this. That should be alright with it. We're going to, now up here is still rough. I do want to get around here, see how good we are, because I'm trying to work my way up from the bottom to the top. But if we can get this pretty good here, then we can move up here. As you see, we need to fill it in more. I wish I filled it with fiberglass, like the tiger hair stuff. Instead of Bondo, I actually tried getting it out, but I couldn't, so I had to just roll with the flow there. But we'll probably have to put some more here. I know we'll have to put some more here, because I want to kind of, you see here, kind of get this edge going in. Just basically nice and smooth right there, going into the actual fiberglass there. The same for here. We're trying to mimic each side, but I want to go ahead and put a nice coat of primer on this, let it dry, and see what we got. Alright, so we still have a lot to go. Down here it's not looking too bad. Now we do have some deep scratches and stuff, but we can do that. Get those out, no problem. But it's looking to shape up and stuff. We're just going to have to put a little bit more on there and stuff. So I'm just going to keep on working at this bad boy. Ta-da! Alright, so apparently one of these pieces, I said it did have a little flex. Right in here, if you flex it, you can see it move a little bit. So I don't want that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on the back, mix some resin up. I've got this stuff right here. Some good to guess a little bit of this, the devil's like hair. I hate this stuff. I hate it. I'm gonna cut a little bit off here so I don't really have to mess with it that much. And snipperoo. Zipperoo. That should be good enough. I just had to get that out just enough so I have this fiber crap like everywhere. Put it back in its like nice little deadly home here. Get on up in there. Get up off of that feet. Make you feel better. Well. Alright, I'll just put that over all my tools because, you know, that's how it is. Alright, so we need to cut this to basically match that. We don't want it to be too long. Looks like. I want to put that right there. I'm waiting for it to cut a hole in my gloves. Right there. And we need to trim this a little bit. And then we'll take a couple of these pieces here. I'll try to get all these ready for both sides. Like just putting them right there. That way all that's tucked down there nicely. Alright, so I went ahead and put my hardener already in it. So we are good to go. I went ahead and put it up through here. Alright, so I went ahead and stiffened it up. It's got a little bit of play, but not as much, and we're not seeing it buckle right there. That was my only thing. So I think we're good. I've only got, I think this is, what grit is this? 150? Now I had 220, so all I got is 150, which is gouging the crap out of it. So what I'm going to do is mix some Bondo up and basically put in here, because like I said, we're working our way up. And here I'm not really worried about that so much because the iPad's sit there, but we'll clean the outsides up and spray this and everything. But we'll probably put some kind of backing on it, so when we do put the iPad in, it will go there. Now somebody asked me, said, what about the charging and everything? Legit, you could charge your iPad and use it. I'll use it when I'm driving, so I won't have it like constantly or whatever. So not really worried about like going dead on me or anything like that. And plus, when I park the truck and go inside, I'll probably just pull it out, tuck it under the seat or something, because you know how people are like, ooh, you know, tablet, whatever, let me steal it. So I'll probably end up doing that. And then at nighttime, whatever, I can take it in and charge it, no problem. Simple as that. So I'm not really worried about it actually having to charge. But later on, if it is becoming like a problem, I need to charge, then I can go ahead and put like a charging system in it or something like that. We might even be able to put like some kind of like charging pad or something. But like I said, I'm not really worried about the whole charging situation for now. I'm hoping sometime this weekend I get time to put these on. These are the brake lines for Super Ram. I blew the front brake line and I looked and a lot of them was rusted, so I was going to replace them all, but I found out online, I was like, well, we can just order pre-bent ones, so good to go, don't even have to worry about it. So I ordered them and I haven't got to put them on yet, so we'll probably end up putting them on hopefully sometime this weekend. That way I can move the truck around, move it and stuff. And I also have to move this one out too. And I've got to unload the parts because we've got fenders and everything back there. And hopefully get this thing sprayed off. So hopefully maybe Monday, look for something different besides this stupid iPad thing. But I want to work on this behind the camera and stuff. So next time basically you see that, we'll probably be putting it in a truck. Or at least putting the final paint job and stuff on it. And then putting it in the truck and stuff. So and I still got to get the radio for it. But that is going to do it for this vlog. I know it was pretty short, but this week's just been really crappy for parts and putting stuff on anyways. Anyways, guys, hope everybody's having a great Friday, and I will see you Monday. So make sure to hit that like button, punch that subscribe button. This is Ghost.
And Katie.
And we are out of here. Ready? Yep. Rock and roll.